Imagine if you could peek inside your body and see why some people stay fit effortlessly, why others struggle with weight, or why certain individuals seem to age gracefully while others face health challenges early in life. The secret isn't just diet, exercise, or luck. It's your DNA, the blueprint that shapes who you are. Today, we're uncovering how your genes influence your health, fitness, and longevity, and what you can do to work with them, not against them. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is like an instruction manual for your body. It determines everything from your eye color to how efficiently your body metabolizes sugar and burns fat. But here's the key: your DNA is not a destiny, it's a guide. While some genes may make you predisposed to certain traits, lifestyle choices can dramatically influence how those genes express themselves. This is where the fascinating concept of epigenetics comes in, the idea that environment, diet, exercise, sleep, and stress can switch genes on or off, shaping your health outcomes over time. Let's start with fitness and metabolism. Certain genes affect how your muscles respond to exercise, how easily you build strength, and how efficiently your body converts food into energy. Some people naturally excel at endurance activities, while others may have a genetic edge in sprinting or power-based sports. Understanding your genetic tendencies doesn't mean giving up. It means you can tailor your workouts to maximize results and prevent injuries. Weight management is another area where genetics play a role. Genes influence appetite, cravings, fat storage, and metabolism. For instance, variations in genes like FTO can make some people more prone to storing fat or feeling hungrier. But lifestyle still has immense power. Balancing macronutrients, exercising regularly, and practicing mindful eating can override genetic predispositions and help you maintain a healthy weight. Your DNA also impacts longevity and disease risk. Certain gene variants are linked to higher or lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, or even how your body responds to stress. The good news is that adopting healthy habits, regular exercise, proper nutrition, quality sleep, stress management, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking can significantly reduce these risks, sometimes even counteracting unfavorable genes. Finally, mindset matters. Knowing your DNA can empower you rather than limit you. Personalized genetic insights allow you to focus on what truly works for your body, making your efforts more efficient and your health strategies more precise. Now that we understand how DNA influences fitness, weight, and longevity, let's dive into specific ways your genes interact with daily habits and how you can leverage that knowledge. First, let's talk about metabolism and energy. Some people have a genetic predisposition for a faster metabolism, meaning they burn calories more efficiently even at rest. Others may have a slower metabolism, making weight management more challenging. But here's the empowering part. Exercise and diet can influence metabolic efficiency. High-intensity interval training, resistance exercises, and protein-rich meals can boost metabolism, while avoiding excessive processed foods stabilizes energy levels, helping your body make the most of its genetic potential. Next, consider muscle composition and fitness response. Genes like ACTN3 determine whether your body favors fast twitch or slow twitch muscle fibers. Fast twitch fibers excel in sprinting and power activities, while slow twitch fibers are better for endurance. Knowing this can help you tailor your workout plans, focus on strength training and explosive movements if you excel at power, or endurance and cardio if your genetics favor stamina. This personalized approach makes your fitness journey more effective and sustainable. Genes also affect appetite, cravings, and fat storage. Variants in the FTO and MC4R genes can make some individuals more prone to hunger or store fat more readily. But science shows that lifestyle interventions, like eating balanced meals with high fiber, protein, and healthy fats, can suppress cravings and improve satiety, overriding genetic tendencies. Mindful eating and portion control are additional tools that give you control over how your genes express themselves. Then there's stress and sleep. Genes influence cortisol response, circadian rhythm, and sleep quality. Some people naturally handle stress better, while others are more sensitive to it. Prioritizing stress management through meditation, journaling, or even short daily walks can reduce the negative impact of stress-sensitive genes. Likewise, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and creating a sleep-friendly environment supports genetic predispositions for optimal recovery, hormone balance, and cognitive function. Finally, your DNA impacts longevity and disease risk. Variants in genes like APOE can influence cholesterol metabolism and Alzheimer's risk, while others affect cardiovascular health or inflammation. But here's the key takeaway: healthy lifestyle choices can significantly reduce the expression of risk genes. Exercise, proper nutrition, adequate sleep, stress reduction, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking or excessive alcohol consumption create a protective environment, allowing you to live longer and healthier despite genetic risks. Understanding your DNA empowers you to focus on what works best for your body, turning knowledge into action. It's not about being limited by your genes. It's about using science to optimize your health and longevity. Now let's explore practical strategies and long-term lifestyle tips to harness your DNA for optimal health, fitness, and longevity. First, consider personalized nutrition. Genetic testing can reveal how your body metabolizes fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. For example, if your genes indicate slower carbohydrate metabolism, you may benefit from moderating refined carbs and focusing on complex carbs and fiber. If your body processes fats efficiently, healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil can be prioritized. Tailoring your diet to your DNA ensures maximum energy, better weight management, and improved metabolic health. Next is customized exercise. Your genetic profile can indicate whether your body responds better to strength training, cardio, or a mix of both. Use this insight to design a workout routine that fits your strengths, reduces injury risk, and accelerates results. Even if genetic testing isn't available, observing how your body responds to different exercises can guide your approach. The goal is consistency and enjoyment. Your genes work best when your lifestyle supports them. Sleep and recovery are equally important. Certain genetic variants affect circadian rhythm and recovery speed. Listening to your body and prioritizing consistent sleep schedules allows your genes to function optimally. Coupling sleep with mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing reduces stress hormones, supports hormone regulation, and enhances mental clarity, further amplifying the benefits of your genetic makeup. Stress management is another area where genes play a role. Variants in stress response genes can make some people more sensitive to anxiety or emotional fatigue. Building daily stress reduction practices, like journaling, yoga, or even short nature walks, can counteract these tendencies and improve emotional resilience. Over time, these habits modulate gene expression and support both mental and physical health. Finally, think long-term preventive health and lifestyle integration. Regular medical check-ups, balanced nutrition, daily movement, adequate sleep, stress management, and mindfulness collectively create a protective environment for your genes. Even if you have genetic predispositions for certain diseases, your daily choices can delay, mitigate, or even prevent them. Genetics provide a blueprint, but lifestyle determines the final structure. By understanding your DNA and aligning your daily habits with your genetic strengths and vulnerabilities, you create a personalized roadmap to peak fitness, sustainable energy, optimal weight, and longevity. A powerful reminder that while our genes influence our potential, our choices shape our reality. Your DNA is an incredible blueprint that shapes how your body functions, responds to exercise, processes food, and even how long you may live. But here's the empowering truth: genes are not your destiny. They are guides, not limits. By understanding your genetic tendencies and aligning your daily habits through personalized nutrition, tailored exercise, quality sleep, stress management, and mindfulness, you can optimize your health, boost energy, manage weight, and enhance longevity. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Every mindful choice you make interacts with your DNA to create a healthier, stronger, and more resilient version of yourself. When science meets action, you unlock the full potential hidden in your genes, allowing you to thrive, not just survive.